Before you spend a ton on camera gear, let's open this all-in-one vlogging kit and see everything that comes inside it. Let's open it up. It says it is 5K, 48 megapixels, 3.0 touchscreen. So first you're gonna get the manual. You'll get a nice handy remote. And I'm curious to see if you need to put a battery in this one. Nope, no battery. All you're gonna do is pull this down and it will be good to use. And you're gonna get another, this is a warranty card. This is a lithium-ion battery. So you're gonna get 2 of those. Here's the back of them, and then this is the little insertion part. You will get a USB charging port into a USB-C, it looks like. These are going to be an accessory. So you'll screw it in. It does have the full rotation ball. So you'll loosen this part up here, and then you can slide this around and spin it around and lock it into a place just like that to do like 90-degree view. Or you can swirl it around, ball socket, and then tighten it in the position you like it, and it will stay in place. This is going to be you're gonna put these on the front of it. This is to help focus in. We got 2 of these here. This looks like a cover that's gonna go on the front of the lens to protect it. Has a little string here. And this will be the microphone. And it comes with a battery, which is great because a lot of things don't. And then you gotta find one or get them yourself. It's a AAA battery it comes with for the microphone, right in the same bag. Here is the microphone. You can do the attachment on here. You can put this on here as well. You'll just screw it into that, and then you'll plug this into the camera. And then on the side here, it has off and then 0 dB and plus 20 dB. dB is decibels. Next, you're going to find a camcorder holder. So this is where it's going to sit in if you decide to use this. You don't have to use this when filming, but if you do, this is it. It folds up for storing and ease. And one thing I really like is that everything is coming with a manual. So you don't need to feel lost or confused when you get this. You have the microphone manual, you have this camcorder holder manual, you have the initial manual. Last but not least, we have this little tripod. You'll screw it in to the camcorder here, and then you will open the legs and they kind of lock into place there, and they will sit on the table or whatever you want them to sit on. Finally, the camcorder. So it does come in this cute little case, Velcroed shut. Let's open this up. Here it is. Nice little first impression as nice little camcorder. This is very padded for your hand. Very easy to handle and hold. All of the features are right within your fingertips. They do have like a metallic type of blue to help stand out. And this, all this black is like a shiny type of black. Very nice and easy to hold. A display right here. Let's see, we have down here is where the memory card can go. Okay, memory card slot, and it looks like it comes with one. So it does. Here's the memory SD card, 32 gigabytes you're gonna get with it. That is and concludes everything that's in the box. Thanks for the company for sending me this to review.